You can use an Apex trigger for validation purpose as well. And if you want, you can also throw an error from an Apex trigger. When you throw these errors, all the DML operations will be cancelled and the complete transaction will be rolled back. To throw an error from an Apex trigger, you can use the addError method from sObject class, and you can use this method on a particular record where the data is not accurate, or you could also use it on a particular field. So let's go back to our developer console and we are going to write a simple validation in our lead trigger. So here in our lead trigger, what I want to do, whenever we create or update a lead record, and if the industry field is blank, then I want to show an error to the user that this field cannot be blank. So this is a very simple validation that we'll be handling from our Apex trigger. So let's go back to developer console, and here I'm going to have one more if condition, and this time I'm going to check if the industry field is blank or not. So we are going to use our lead record variable dot, we need to find industry, this one. So if it is blank, then I want to show an error to the user. So here what I'll do, I'm going to use my record here, and then I'm going to use the addError method, and you can write your message here. I'm going to say the industry cannot be blank. And that's it. And remember, this trigger executes on before insert and before update event. So even if we'll modify an existing record, we should see this validation on our screen. So I'm going to cancel this operation once. Let's change something in this record. Maybe again, let's add the title, click on save, and we have got an error. It says the industry field cannot be blank. So this is an error message that we have got from our lead trigger, and we have got it because we are having a trigger on before update event. So even if you'll create a new record, so I'm gonna go back and I'll try to create a new record without the industry field. Let's name it as test. Let's give it test as well, and let's click on save. And again we have got our error, the industry field cannot be blank. But as soon as you update the industry field, or if you add some value to the industry field, you should be able to modify or update your lead record. Let me change it to something and click on save, and it saved fine. But if you empty this field, then we should get an error. So that's it. This is how you can write validations in Apex trigger, and this is how you can throw an error from the Apex trigger.